Hello guys, how to be here? Welcome back to another video, and today we will get something much and more new about the Satoshi app. As I am using this Satoshi app for a couple of days, so there are much and more things I discovered. So today I will talk about this. Those who are following, just make sure you guys also hit the subscribe and the like button for more of the interesting Satoshi videos. And let's get into the video. As you can see, I can receive the hash by collect my miners. I mean, if I have 3 people under my belts, and I can be able to collect this bonus bounties. And as you can see, I have the BTC of 0.0000590, that is tends to 0, so it is legit. You can just look this, like you can literally capable to earn the Bitcoin. So on the other hand, the BTCs, the new generated coin, is under the belt. As you can see, I have 57 blocks to collect. Let's collect the BTCs, and yeah, it is increasing. So all the block has been collected, and as you also can see, I have to add the wallet address, but unfortunately this option really don't work properly. So I think I have to spend much and more days to get the collectibles. I mean, use this feature. As I tried, but the Binance wallet really didn't work here. So I'm thinking I have to try with the other wallet. So hopefully this will work too. And as you can see, I'm collecting the blocks about 8 minutes. 8 minutes per block, so that's a huge time also, but this is good. Like, you can also collect some BTCs, like these are the giveaways they're talking about. And as you can see, in Friday they actually give 100 people like the equivalent value of $8, and in the Sunday, and only on the Sunday, they give 5 people about the equivalent of 888 US dollar. So that's a huge. And in the Sunday only, after the lucky winners of 5, there will be 30 people who will get the 88 USD. So that's a huge collection. And whatever you have to do, you actually need to have some votes under your belt. So this is a very tricky method of giving a BTC. Like you'll bring people back into this application, and you can be able to have the chance of getting the BTCs. Like, you can also be able to pay out them. So that's a handy choice. But yeah, this is legit countable. Like after all those dollars really matters. And this is the giveaway part, and this is kind of interesting. I really have an eye on it, but can't be able to add any miners yet, so hopefully I will work harder soon. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. Hope you love the video. And BTC's approximate value, they actually thinking like it would have 100, I mean, it would have the 1k USD base price. And this is quite high. I mean, not even the BTC has the price point like at the initial point. So this would be very much ambitious, but if it had I think if it happened, well, yeah, that's all from today, guys. And see you soon with another interesting video. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace. With